Welcome! In front of me I have Nokia 8.3 5G and I'm going to show you how you can apply screen protector on this device. So at the first we have to turn off our device. So click and hold the power button and select power off option. Next we have to open our box when we are able to find screen protector and also wipes wet and the dry. So at the first we have to start to open the wet, and as you can see our screen is very dirty. You can find here a lot of fingerprint, so we have to take it off. Okay, and after that we have to use dry wipe. Okay, and after that we can grab our screen protector, take it off, do it slowly, then put it back, and then just take a look on the screen, and if you have any piece of the dust, like in my case, right here, you have to take it off also. Okay, I think that right now we can start. So let's make it from the upper section of the screen. And then start pressing with your finger. Holding the bottom part. And right now we can put it, and as you can see it goes almost automatically. And after that we have to use this dry wipe. Okay, and as you can see it's finished, so right now we can easily turn on our device. And as you can see right now, we can use our device and you don't have to be afraid of any scratches or the breaks on your screen. So that's how we can apply this screen protector on your Nokia 8.3 5G. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!